Disclaimer: for entertainment purposes only, no bashing, spread love and kindness. Hello guys! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The 10 rarest plant on earth. Human causes of rarity, direct and indirect, are identifiable for many rare plants. The more common are loss of habitat, which may already be limited by natural speciation, loss of pollinators, dispersal agents, or other plant partners. Number 10. Middle Miss Red Camellia. The Middle Miss Red Camellia is a rare camellia considered the rarest flower in the world, with only 2 locations, a greenhouse in London, UK, and garden in New Zealand, named after the British botanist John Middle Miss, who brought it from China to the UK in 1804. The flower has since gone extinct in its native country. Despite its name, it blooms with vivid deep pink, rose-like petals surrounded by dark green foliage. The Middle Miss Red blooms better in an environment that provides light to partial shade, and they do well under the shade of tall trees. However, it was damaged after being transported from China to England, even after being in its local habitat. So the only answer that would make sense is that it was over-cultivated. That is why it is no longer in the wild and now being cultivated. Number 9. Encephalitis woody cycad. This cycad is extinct in the wild, meaning there are no wild population left. All known specimens are clones of the original male plant, as no female plants have ever been found. It is conserved in botanical gardens and it is a focal point for cycad conservation efforts. Number 8. Ativoro featured plant. A unique species of plant, the Nepenthes ativorohi or Ativoro featured plant, named after the famed naturalist Sir David Ativoro, was discovered as recently as 2007 in Philippines, endemic to the Victoria Massif in the Palawan province of the Philippines. The restricted distribution of this plant has triggered IUCN to classify this species as critically endangered. The plant is characterized by bell-shaped features, which some experts claim are large enough to trap rats in them. Seven. Western underground orchids. The only species of orchid that remains underground throughout its entire life cycle. The western underground orchids is a rare species of plant which is endemic to Western Australia. The large-scale clearing of land for agriculture is the primary reason of loss of this species of orchids. Number 6. Golf ball cactus. The golf ball cactus, named so because of its white golf ball-like appearance, is endemic to a small stretch of land between Brewster County, Texas, USA, and Coahuila in Mexico. The rarity of the plant species and its restricted range has led to its classification as threatened species in the United States. In the last 20 years, nearly 95% of the population of this species has been lost, with the illicit collection of this plant for ornamental reason being one of the primary reasons. Number 5. Vanda cycad. Another precious species of plant that deserves immediate attention from conservationists in the Vanda cycad. This plant is endemic to South Africa's Limpopo province, and currently only a few members of this species survive. Some even claim that the species is currently extinct through the IUCN classifies it as critically endangered. The collection of this plant for ornamental purposes is considered to be the major cause of the decline of this species. Number 4. Jellyfish tree. The jellyfish tree, appropriately named so far, its fruits that appear like jellyfish, is endemic to Mahé Islands of the Seychelles, proved to be extinct. The jellyfish tree was rediscovered in 1970s, and currently the species is critically endangered, with only about 86 mature individual plants thriving in the wild. Number 3. Ascension Islands parsley fern. Appearing much like a common parsley plant, the Ascension Island parsley fern grows on the tiny volcanic Ascension Islands in the South Atlantic Ocean. The plant was believed to be extinct for over a half-century, when a team of botanists studying plants on the islands rediscovered the plant in 2009. The scientists took extreme care of the few individual plants discovered and extracted the spores of the plant, which was used to establish successful cultivars in the Royal Botanic Gardens at Kew, United Kingdom. It is estimated that only 40 mature plants of this species occur in the wild today, necessitating the classification of the plant as critically endangered by the IUCN. Number 2. Coral tree. A legume species, the Erythrina scleveni, is a critically endangered species of coral tree. Was first held to be extinct in 2008, when vast tracts of forest inhabited by these trees were slashed down for timber extraction activities. In 2012, however, a small population of around 50 of these trees were discovered in a small area of Tanzania, and presently this is the last known population of Erythrina scleveni. Number 1. Cobra lily, Darlingtonia californica. Arguably the cutest of the spooky entries in the list, the cobra lily or Californian feature plant is a carnivorous plant that grows in bogs. Its name comes from its tubular top, which resembles a cobra's hood, while its forked leaf look like a tongue. The plant traps insects by luring them in, and once the prey is inside, light shining through the translucent hood prevents it from finding the exit. The downward pointing hairs ensure the insect strip is one way. In general, rare plants are plants that have very limited ranges or that exist in low numbers. Some are naturally rare, such as those adapted to geographically specific soils, microclimates, or pollinators. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and please hit the subscribe button to get notified for more content like this. Thank you.